Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be opening this box I picked up from eBay. It should be a center roof console that has the moonroof control, the dome lights, and the sunglass holder for the 2000 4Runner Limited 4x4. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well, and gals. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. I gotta put another blade in this thing. I've been using it quite a bit lately. Alright, so this, there's a gentleman on eBay. Me and him been communicating back and forth for a while now. He's a great guy. His name is Z240 Dude. He's a great guy. His name is Norman. I got this from him. Should be the center front roof console for 2000 4Runners, 1996 to 2000. 1996 and I believe 97 and 98 are a little bit different, but you should be able to use these, this specific piece if you wanted to. I picked this up not necessarily because I needed it. The one that's in the Limited is actually in great shape. I picked it up more or less to have it in case, 15 years from now I can't find these, because these parts are, these interior paneling parts are extremely hard to find to begin with. And it looks like it does have hardware as well. So that is awesome. Box is empty, had some paper in it, so I will be using this paper in my wife's garden. I'm going to end up burning it, but this is it right here. It does have its connectors and everything. It looks almost identical to the one that is already installed in the truck. You could use this in any 4Runner. I could put this, if I really needed to, I could put this in my my SR5, which has a blue interior. It even has the cutout for the mirror, because these are the styles where the mirror actually mounts to the roof, and the mirror bracket actually sits in this slot. On most 4Runners of 2000, 1996 into 2000 something, they all have the exact same mount for the rear view mirror. Get this off, and this just little clip, this little cover right here clips into these little spots right here. These two spots on each side. Turn this light on so it's a little easier to see. There you go. So these clips right here is what this cover right here is for. And when it's mounted on the roof, it's actually mounted like this. So this is actually sitting towards the window, and this is actually facing the window. It just pops off like that. And this just, when you take this cover off, it shows you access to the bolts that hold the mirror to the roof. That's what that is for. And then there's two little tabs on the sides right here in this corner, and this corner right here. There's a little tab right there. I'll show you right here. See the tabs on the sides. So they're not really hard to take off. They're actually pretty easy to take off, especially when it's mounted to the vehicle already. So it's all in good condition. It does even have the male side of the pigtail, which is nice. In this case, I would just keep this, throw this in a container just in case it's needed. But all you got to do is plug. This one is hanging from the roof, so I don't even need to unplug it. or I don't need this pigtail. I just plug it directly in. And then this is the switch for the moonroof. Tilt down, slide, tilt up. These are the dome light housings. And these you would just pop there's little slots right here. You'd pop this white cover off. And then I think there was only one. I think there's only one bolt if I remember correctly. I can't remember. If you pop this open, this is for this sunglass. This is the sunglass holder. I've never had any of the sunglass holders actually break on me. My SR5 is 22 years old, just like this Limited is. And it does have a little bit of wear on it, which is not, not a big deal. It is an original OEM Toyota part. That is nice to see. This relay switch assembly slide roof is Toyota as well. It's hard to show. It actually has Toyota marked on it. He said it was in fully functioning condition. It needs light bulbs, which, not a big deal. Light bulbs go in here. And you just pop this cover off and you can see the light bulbs. And I'm just going to keep this as a spare. It's the exact same color as what's in the truck already. Dead spider. You never saw that coming. So I usually use a little small screwdriver like this. Just pop it out. It's not too hard. It does have bulbs in here. These are the... I've been looking for LED bulbs for this compartment forever. If anybody knows where I can get LED bulbs for this compartment, let me know. Because these are a very specific type of bulb. Looks like it's got usable bulbs in it too. These are 12 volt 8 watt K-M, and they have these, so you got your ground and your ground wings on the side. It's got two wings, so it's got two little nubs on the side, one on each side, parallel to each other, and then you have your hot in the center. I would love to find these style bulbs in LEDs, but they're not easy to find. He did tell me that he can't remember if the bulbs worked. He knows that the moonroof and the sunroof and everything works. Controls work and everything else. And I'm not too concerned about it. I bought this not because I needed it, but because I wanted the parts to make sure that I had it if it was ever needed. And the only damage I can see is where the cover's been pried off quite a bit. It's not too bad, and I'm not worried about it. You just slide this side in, because there's tabs on this piece right here. Slide it in the front first. So if it was upside down, you would actually want to put it in if it was upside down, you'd actually want to put it in like this. So you slide this in first, and then you push it towards the window. That's it. It does have bulbs in it. The reflective housings look good. Everything looks good. I paid $54 for it, which is not bad at all. I got a OEM pigtail if need be. That's awesome to see. It's kind of nice. I know it works. The pictures actually show it working and everything else. And there is one bolt. This one bolt right here, this housing is only bolted by one bolt. So when you have this cover off, you can actually see this bolt hole. It's right next to the driver's side front dome light. Right in the back is the bolt hole. So the way this is set up is it just hooks into the roof, and then you swing it up and one bolt holds this whole housing. It's not really a lot. It's one bolt. It also came with the bolt, which is nice to see. The bolt is in actually pretty great condition on wear. These usually don't come in and out very often, so the wear is usually not noticeable. So I will be putting the pigtail in my cantilever husky case, my dual stacking or dual layer, dual level husky case that I have a bunch of Toyota parts in. I will know this is for the console. You can always leave it plugged in here too. It's awesome. For the price, I couldn't pass it up. Not even just to keep it for a while. If I never ever use it or I never ever need it, you know, 40 years from now or whatever, I can always sell it for what I paid for it, $50, $56, and I think it was like $5 worth of shipping and like $1 worth of tax, so it was like $2 total for it. I can always request like $65 and make my money back plus $1 or something. But if I don't ever need it, I can sell it if it's needed. If somebody else needs it, I don't mind selling things if I have extras and people need them. All of the ribbing is still intact. Both sides. The notches are still intact. Everything is intact. It looks good. Does have a little bit of, looks like spotting right here. Maybe something got splashed onto it. Not a big deal. You can just clean that real quick. Get it off. But that's all I got for you guys today. Just a quick video. Wanted to show it to you guys. Let you guys know that I picked up some spare parts. Not parts that were needed for the Limited. I mean, I can always put this tan one in my SR5. Even though it's tan and not bluish gray. But, you know, if you have it, use it. Appreciate you guys stopping by. It's nice that it came with the bolt. He's a great guy. Norman is an awesome guy. I'm going to talk to him about some OEM visors for a couple different rigs. For both 4Runners. A couple different rigs. And some other stuff. He's got door handles and some other stuff. You know, the actual handles that you pull when you grab the door to close the door. Those door handles, not the actual ones that unlatch the lock or the latch so you can physically get the door open, but the ones that you use to close the door. He's got the rests. They're called rests. They physically pop in to the door panel. You can rest your arm on them. You use them to close the door. So that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. I'll try to post his eBay page if you guys want to go check out what he's got. He's got stuff for Fords, Lexuses, Toyotas. He's got stuff for Chevys and GMCs. He's got quite a bit of stuff. He's a good seller. He hasn't sold a crap ton in the last 2 years, but he's a good seller. He's very reliable, very respectful. He will do his best to take photos if you ask for more photos. He will even tell you about inventory that he hasn't put up on eBay yet if he likes you. So I hope the information is helpful to all of you guys. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. There, I'll give you a little better view. And hope to see you guys on the next one. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!